guys, this is my tutorial for a neon beach tumbler with seashell straw toppers. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler using an 80 grit sanding block and Rustoleum ultra flat white spray paint. Like we did on our previous 2 beach tumblers, we're going to match the base colors to the glitter colors that we'll be placing on top. We'll also be using translucent glitters again for this design, so the base colors will shine through a bit just like in the pastel beach tumbler, so be sure to fix any drips. Spray about 8 to 12 inches away from your tumbler and use short bursts to prevent any dripping. If you have seen any of my previous videos, you already know the epoxy method is my favorite for ombres. I decided to use a slightly larger cut of glitter for this design. I wanted it to be bright, bold, and fun, and these colors were perfect. I have about 7 milliliters of epoxy already on my cup, and now I'm ready to add my glitters. Let this glitter layer cure, seal with a coat of epoxy, and we'll be ready for the next step. After that epoxy layer has cured, we'll be adding some depth with some mica powders. I've already applied about 15 milliliters of epoxy, and I'm now popping the bubbles with my torch. Next, we'll be ready to add our micas mixed with epoxy. You can also add a step and use alcohol inks like we did in the Sunset Beach Tumbler tutorial, but these micas were perfect for the bright, shimmery effect I wanted. As always, you can totally skip this step if you like a full glitter look, but I love how the micas give the tumbler an extra oomph. Let this layer cure, and we'll be ready to add our vinyl and waves. Since I won't be adding clouds, we can go ahead and add our vinyl design on this layer along with the waves. For the past 2 tumblers, we added clouds, but for this tumbler, I'm skipping that effect. I wanted to maintain the bright, bold look that we have going, and adding the clouds might mute it a tad. However, if you want to add some clouds, this is your tumbler, do whatever you like. As my idol Bob Ross would say, this is your world, add some happy clouds on your cup if you want to. add more sparkle, I'm going to be adding some matching chunky glitter to the tumbler just to give it some extra sparkle. For the waves, I mixed my epoxy with white snow dispersion color, and I'll be applying it with my gloved finger. And I'll use my stir stick again for the waves at the very bottom. I hold it at a slant and I lightly apply. I used the tip of the stir stick to add definition to the waves. And if you're wondering where I got this crazy cute spoon from, I got it from Counterculture DIY. To go with this bold, bright, and super summery tumbler, I decided to make some matching straw toppers. I used the same chunky glitters I used on the tumbler to make them. These will make a crazy cute free gift for your customer, or you can sell them as well. The link to the shop that I purchased the mold from will be in the description box down below. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Have fun making your neon beach tumblers and straw toppers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!